call me Yaya.
This is our first time to bake. That's why
We're going to bake Crinkles.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
can you tell us the ingredients,
We
ate?
have brown sugar.
1 and 1/4,
Yep. And 2 eggs.
2 eggs,
And we need corn oil,
corn oil, 7 tablespoons,
cocoa powder,
yes, cocoa powder, 3/4 cup.
chocolate chips,
This is our favorite. And then, what else, ate?
we need all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar, later na po namin yung gagamitin. Okay, come on. Let's
But-
go.
But first, Mommy, you need to tell them what we need.
We need this. What's this, ate?
I don't know.
This is a mixing bowl. Dito natin nilalagay lahat ng
And what's
ingredients.
this?
That is a mixer.
Wow, I know it all the time.
Okay,
And we
now,
need a spatula for mixing.
what's that?
Spatula.
Okay, now,
It has my favorite color.
the first thing that we need to do is,
First thing is sugar. Now, second thing is 2 eggs.
and then we're going to put the corn oil.
Yes, we're going to put the corn oil to be even delicious.
And then,
You mix.
no, not yet.
Oh yeah.
Our favorite,
Yeah, this is
chocolate chips.
This going to put it there.
And then,
This is cocoa powder.
okay,
And now we mix it.
yan. Namixan natin siya.
Now we need to put this.
Ngayon,
We need to
ilagay natin tong
flour, baking powder, and baking powder, baking soda, salt, and powdering
pero hindi na
sugar.
tayo gagamit ng mixer. We're going to use
Spatula.
spatula. Like that.
I already put it. Can I mix it?
Ayan. Once na na-mix na natin siya, sabi sa mga
Chef.
napanood ko, yes, sa mga nabasa ko, dapat daw hindi siya ma-overmix kasi titigas siya. So, kaya hindi natin siya ginamitan ng mixer. Spatula lang. And then, kapag wala na raw nakitang harina, flour, tama na raw yung pag-mix. So, ito na siya. Ayan. That's the finished product. Ay, not yet pala. Ayan.
Just the mixing finish.
Yes. Just the mixing. We're done in mixing. Now, we're going to leave it here. Lalagay natin siya sa ref. Kami, lalagay namin siya sa ref ng overnight and tomorrow morning, we're going to bake it.
Yeah.
So, see you!
We're
back.
back.
Malamig na siya. Ito na po yung tsura niya. So now,
It looks like a poop. Uncooked. And you have to smell.
we can use ice cream scooper
Yeah.
para even yung mga sizes ng ating crinkles. So,
I want you to put that. I want to eat the crinkles with it.
matigas na siya.
Show me water.
Oo.
We're about to scoop it. Now it's time to put it in the pan.
Ngayon, isang sikreto na natutuhan ko kay Chef RV Manaba, thank you po. Para raw, di ba yung mga ibang crinkles na nakakain natin, naglalagay yung powdered sugar. So, ang isang sikreto daw, try natin. Lagay mo natin siya dun sa granule na sugar before we put it on the powdered.
Can I put it now, Mom?
Pero, just a little lang kasi baka maging susulit yung ating dito. Konti-konti
Yeah,
lang.
because
Konti-konti. Lagyan na namin siya sa pan. See to it na hindi siya tabi-tabi. Kasi baka mag-overlap kapag nasa oven na. So, nakagawa kami ng 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 pieces kasi ang laki ng scoop namin. So, tara, lagyan natin siya sa oven. So, ito na po, nailagay ko na yung crinkles natin sa oven. Pero, rinihit ko na muna siya bago ilagay. So, antayin na lang natin. Ito na po siya. Want to taste it, ate? Ito. Sige. Ayan. Kita natin moist yung kanyang loob. Kinain natin.
The burn is perfect too. The burn is perfect.
Ang sarap. Sarap talaga. Ano ate? What does it taste?
The burn is my secret taste.
Napakaganda nung loob niya. Matigas sa labas, pero napakalambot sa loob. Kaya, not bad for the first time. If you like our video, please give us some thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to ring the button. That's how you can't miss any video. Bye.
Goodbye!